In this video, I'll be showing you how to draft the pattern for this lady's office wear. It's easy to do. Just wrap your pattern with your masking tape, get your midline, divide the last into two, that's what I mean, from the back side to the front side, get your top line, get your curve. Now this curve, your cap now will not be the same as guy's shoe, okay, like men's shoe. So you have to take the cap down a little bit, okay. So after you have that done, you have your paper. All you have to do is removing your masking tape and place it on your paper. Just calm down and watch. It's a 6-minute video, but I'm sure you're going to learn something for yourself. It's easy to do. Believe me, if you're a lady, a female shoemaker, I'm sure you love this, because ladies love patronizing themselves, I guess. So learn how to do or make office shoe for your gender. Please subscribe, like the video, drop a comment, ask your questions. So I just detached the pattern from the last, placed it on the paper, add my lasting allowance. Remember, lasting allowance is 2 centimeter. Okay, cut out. Once you cut out, then all you have to do is remove the cap. All right, you're going to remove the cap. If you check the shoe very well, you can see that the cap, the vamp is buried under the cap. So when you're tracing, sorry, what I mean is the cap is buried under the vamp. Yes, that means your vamp will be having, your cap will be having some addition. Okay, your cap will be having sewing allowance. So you add maybe an inch or 2 inch to your cap after you bring out your cap. So you just see what I did. I'm trying to bring out the shape of the cap. Watch, it's easy. Please subscribe, like the video, share, drop a comment, copy the link of the video. All you have to do for you to copy, just click the share logo, then you see the copy, you see the video link, copy it and paste on your social media handles. You can share directly on Facebook from here. You can share on WhatsApp, on Instagram, on TikTok, on Twitter, and all of that. Please subscribe. So I just got my cap. Now you can see. So now if you want to trace this top, this shoe, now you have to add sewing allowance, because the cap will be buried under the vamp. All right, so I'm trying to bring out my back cover now. So like my trouser, watch, I have the demarcation. Then watch what I'll do. Like, get the cuff. Look, it's so easy. That is the trouser. I don't know what you call it, but me, I call it trouser. There's the back cover, and I have my back cover, right? That's my back cover. Welcome to my channel. For those of you that are watching for the first time, this is ABC Shoes, a channel made for you shoemaker lovers or shoe lovers per se. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Please, I notice you guys don't like my videos. I don't know why. Please like my video. Like my video. Please watch till the end. Please share my videos. Engage other of my videos, please. Watch carefully what I'm doing. I'm trying to remove the belt. If you check the shoe pattern and the shoe picture, you see that there's a belt, there's a cross belt on it. That's what I'm trying. That's the pattern I'm trying to remove. It's easy. So all the pattern I've removed them. I have my vamp, I have my cap, I have my back cover, and I have my cross belt. So it's easy to do. Watch, this is how your shoe will be looking like. This is how my shoe will be looking like. Right. Thanks for watching. It's easy. After now, you just have to do your tracing and you assemble your top, you sew them, add your lining, then you go for lacing. It's easy to do. Shoemaking is fun, you know. Shoemaking is fun. How much do you think you can do this shoe for a fellow customer?